My people, I am back. Oh man. Alright guys, it's your boy Nana. I'm back again with another video. Now listen man, I always say it's highly requested video because usually they are, but this one, my DMs have been flooded with this question. You guys are always asking me, Nana, how you get that mushroom top? Nana, how you get that muffin top? Nana, how you get your hair like that? Nana, I want to be like you. Oh gosh, and I'm like, listen guys, you can be like this too. And honestly guys, as you can see here, I kind of have the muffin top look right now, but it is pretty old. I think this is about a week old and it's still so curly and just luscious. Like, gosh. Where was I? Anyways guys, listen man, jokes aside, listen, my hair was the toughest hair, the most inflexible, the most down. Listen man, you guys already know my backstory. I used to wash my hair with bar soap, you know what I'm saying? Like any soap I would get, I would never use shampoo, I never did nothing, and my hair was not flourishing. And honestly, years ago, if you were to ask me 2 years ago if I could ever get my hair like this, I would think it's impossible. And listen, so if I did it, then you right there can do it too. And honestly man, it's not that hard. Truthfully, it's just about consistency, following the routine I'm about to show you guys and give you some products. And I do have one secret tool that I have that you guys might be interested in, and it's nothing too spectacular, but it's just boom, my little curl comb. So I'm gonna show you guys how I use this and how it helps me achieve this look. Alright guys, so if you guys have been following our channel for a while now, then you know we have I think one or two previous curly hair tutorials, and my hair was a lot shorter back then, so the process of doing that was a bit different. And that comb was very great. A lot of you guys used it and got back to me and said, hey, that comb was amazing. But now this one, this is something special. And the difference between this one and the old one there isn't too much of a major difference. It's just that this one is more easy to use on yourself, because as you guys can see, I just slip my hand through this part right here and I grab some hair and now boom, 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 curl magic.
You're made for TV, huh?
I'm just dramatic.
Okay, so now take two.
Honestly guys, I really care for you guys. You know, I was once in your shoes. I'm looking at you guys' Instagram pictures and I'm seeing your hair and I'm like, it's a bit weak, you know. I ain't judging, okay? But at the end of the day, there's steps to do everything, right? I was once there at your level, and you can easily, with consistency and patience, reach this level. And I'm not even at the top, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even at the top. I might be looking down, but you know what I'm saying? I ain't even at the top. I'm just here to help y'all get to where I'm at, all right? Yeah, it's not as hard as you guys might think, truthfully. Just remember, guys, keep your hair moisturized, don't break it, and follow routine, be consistent. Drink lots of water too, stay hydrated. Because to achieve this look, it's a combination of length, which, you know, your boy has, oh gosh, might have put my hair out. Has, you know, a pretty good, decent length, you know what I'm saying? And you have to have very healthy, moisturized hair, right? And also, of course, following the routine I'm about to show you guys. And so by now, if you haven't seen my hair cutting tutorial, I don't know where you've been. It's quarantine, you gotta learn how to do that yourself, man. But you should click that video right below and you're gonna understand how I cut my hair, because I used to have a high top, right? And there are a few adjustments I had to do in order to get this kind of look. So if you really want this look, man, just watch that video and you're gonna truly get the whole picture of the muffin top. Okay, so enough long talk, let's get right to it. Alright guys, as you can see, my hair is a mess now. I blatantly destroyed my curls. I destroyed them. Any trace of curls is no more. I did this just to show you guys the process, because I know some of you guys might have messy hair like this. I want to show you that my hair can get messy too. Let's get to that routine. rebound a lot. It's very defined. It looks pretty shiny. I don't know, man. To be honest, I usually get good curls, but I took my time and did it properly for you guys using this comb, and the results here are pretty unbelievable. Damn, I surprised myself. Let me know what you guys think, though. Look at this. It's very bouncy, and these coils. This can last a good week and a half, probably, if I take care of it. Honestly, guys, this comb is magical. Listen, if you want curls, you need one. Get yourself one, use it, and let me know how it works, okay? Just make sure you're using the right technique and you're really detangling the bottom of your hair strands with the comb, and then you work yourself up. Guys, this is some definition. Woo! Wow. Okay, this brush is actually pretty much magic. Now look, guys, if you want to get hair like this, you can get it. You know what to do. Links down below. You can get that brush. It looks kind of crazy right now, but I'm sure by tomorrow when it's fully dry, it'll make more sense. Honestly, guys, this little tool, this little comb, whatever you're gonna call it, man, this has changed my life. Like, I could cut. Jokes aside, guys, this comb is different. Like, my curls are so curly, and they've lasted so long. Like, I did it about a week ago, and I haven't touched it. I haven't added water. I haven't refreshed my curls. I haven't done anything else. In fact, I haven't even been sleeping with a bonnet. I just go to sleep with my pillow, and I wake up, and it's still curly, refreshed, and it looks amazing. I promise you guys, this will give you curls. This right here, you need this. You need this. We need this. Alright? This is different. And you know me, I'm a curl enthusiast. I've done so many things to try and get my hair as curly as I can get it. But this is a game changer. Listen, man, I don't know if I'm even gonna do any braid ups anymore. Like, at this rate, I might as well stick with the curl routine, you know? The link is down below. Grab yourself one and just let me know how it works for you. Hit me up on my Instagram. Listen, man, we can be friends, guys, okay? Just tag me on Instagram, at Sherrese on Instagram. Talk to us, communicate with us. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.